Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us the latest controller from Flydigi and it's the Flydigi Wasp 2. Flydigi Wasp 2 is a one-handed controller, and if you have seen our previous video of Flydigi Wasp, this controller is very similar to it but with some additions. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the controller itself, and here you can see it's the Elite Edition Wasp 2. Unlike the previous version, which was only for Android, this controller is compatible with both Android and iOS. At the back of the box we have some info about the changes such as bigger joystick and buttons, and this controller comes with better grip. So let's open the box and see the content now. Inside the box we get the carrying case, and inside it we have the controller. I'm really happy to see this carrying case, as this was one thing which I missed with the previous Flydigi controllers. Inside the case, on the top we have the documentation, which includes a user guide and the warranty card. The user guide has all the necessary details on how to connect the controller with your phone. And then we get this pouch with Flydigi branding, and inside it we have a Type-C charging cable. This is one more upgrade in the Wasp 2, that instead of the micro USB, we now have a Type-C port. And finally, here is the controller. So as mentioned on the box, the joystick is bigger and the buttons are also bigger as compared to the previous version. We also have this texture at the back, and instead of the flat design, this design will offer better grip and comfort. The button to release the mobile holder latch is now on the top of the controller. Inside the case you also get an additional joystick and this trigger button. And if you have noticed earlier that at the back of the controller we have a place where you can attach this trigger like this. So in terms of design and upgrade, I'm really happy with the improved build quality and design. It feels more comfortable due to the grip at the back. Now let's connect the controller with our phone. In order to connect the controller, we need the Flydigi Game Center app, and the connection process is really simple. You just have to turn on the controller, and after that it will auto pair with the app. And if this is the first time you're using a Flydigi controller, then in order to use it, you would need to activate the controller by turning on the USB debugging mode and connect the controller with the phone. One more thing which is really good in this upgraded version is that now you get this integrated cable in the controller itself, which you need to connect with your phone to activate the controller. So our controller is activated and ready to use. So let's play Pubg Mobile. Key mapping in this controller is really easy. Just press the Flydigi button on the controller, which will open this menu. And on the top you just need to select the adjust option, and here just place the buttons according to your choice. So we have done the key mapping and the controller is ready to use. First thing which I noticed is that this controller is more comfortable to use, and you get a very good grip due to the TPU material at the back of the controller. There is no lag at all and the controller is quite responsive. The additional trigger at the back is also helpful, and I have configured it as a jump button. Now let me show you some gameplay. Overall, I'm really happy with the performance of this controller, and Wasp 2 is definitely an upgrade from the first version. It's comfortable to use and bigger joystick and buttons are more easy to use. The detachable trigger at the back is also a unique addition in this controller, which allow you to use it for a quick function such as reload or jump. Apart from Pubg Mobile, you can use this controller with any other similar game such as Fortnite or any other first person or third person shooting game. So to sum it up, Flydigi Wasp 2 is a complete solution for mobile gaming. And if you're looking for a controller to play Pubg or Fortnite, then we definitely recommend this one-handed controller. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Flydigi Wasp 2 gaming controller. Let us know if you like this controller, and also if you use any gaming accessory to play Pubg or Fortnite, let us know the name in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.